Okay, here we are at the brewer house. This is a giant game room, and that is here because the bees have chosen a spot between floors. This is upstairs, second story, and they're between on the 8-inch cross space between the top and bottom floor. So his idea, which is better than anybody else's ideas, was to, I mean, now it seems simple, but nobody else thought of it but him, was to come in, cut a little hole in the floor underneath all the carpet, which is easy to replace, and extract the bees. So there he is, sports fans, and the hole's about ready to be opened, and I may be about ready to run. I don't know. Never done this before. He seems prepared. Seems to know what he's doing. Big hive?
Yeah, it's deeper than we realized.
That's good, huh?
Yeah.
Good for you, right?
I hope so. The vacuum is a little slow in some ways, but you save the most bees. You make a lot less mess, you don't kill as many bees.
You want to try to save a couple thousand of them?
Oh no, there's a whole lot more than that.
Oh, really?
There's probably at least 20,000 bees in there.
There's 20,000 bees in there?
Oh, yeah.
I'm out of here.
No worries.
Yeah, no worries, says the guy with a beekeeper suit on.
Yeah. Let's see here. You got it on?
That's right. How cool is that? You don't do smoke?
No, it's alright. This is newer comb here because it's lighter.
Alright.
This is darker comb, it's older. And those cappings right there are drones. They're kind of bigger, and the holes are actually bigger too. And what we got a lot of brood down in there too.
There's more over in there. Yeah.
Now you can I'll show them what happens here. What we do is we suck them into the hive, or into the tube, and they go in here, and there's comb in here in frames, and then we bring it up here, and it comes out into the vacuum. And this little valve will control how much suction I have. Just want enough suction for them to get sucked in but not get hurt. This is why it's a little slow going, because if you try to vacuum down really fast.
Yeah.
But it gets all the bees and saves most of the bees.
The person watching this got to realize that the guy holding the camera is they're buzzing all around his head there, so.
All right. Well, the cameraman can step back a little.
Now Matt is tying in some, what do you call that?
Well, this is honeycomb. I mean, it's comb, deep wax comb. This comb is not really honeycomb, but there is some honey in it. And there's drone brood right here. my regular bee brood up here in the top.
Are the drones hanging out near the queen?
What's that?
Do you think the drones hang out near the queen?
No, they don't. They leave the hive normally in the day.
Oh, okay.
Usually, there's usually some in the hive, but they will leave the hive. They'll attach that to the wood over the next couple days.
All right, here we go.
I'm
getting braver and braver coming in here. You know that.
So one of the things that can happen while you can't get the queen, or it's hard, is the comb falls down, and then it might crush the queen or harm her. And this is nice brood comb here. And there's a lot of pollen in this too. And all that light color there is pollen. That might be from the palm trees that are blooming right now.
Wow.
The queen palm trees that are blooming.
Uh-huh.
See how light it is?
I'm zooming in.
Alright.
I'm also nervous because they're bouncing off of me.
All that's brood.
You want to try to save it and cut off the other, huh?
Yeah. As much as possible. Oh, you're going to have to do that.
Oh, you have to?
Yeah, because I need to get it down on there good.
Yeah, when you get this video, you'll see it's shaking around a little bit because I'm a little nervous.
It's alright.
Race drivers have a different kind of bravery.
Oh, yeah. I hear you.
This is an unknown fear factor for me.
Yeah. Getting some nice capped brood here. And that's good because that will help build up their numbers and keep them going good. Just trying to squeeze it into the frame as best as possible so that it stays nicely until they can make it fit in there, or they'll build some wax so that it fits in there real nice.